welcome back. This is Mr. Velez here. So you're gonna be looking now for googling Mr. Velez, and then you're gonna find Mr. Velez Virtual Music. Click there. It's gonna take you to the website. Then to find the song Ode To Joy, go to Music Tech, Song Maker, because we're in Song Maker, and then find it. This could change, but it's gonna be there. So Song Maker Ode To Joy, and then it's gonna be here. Here you have everything, the app, how to record with the app screen app.io, or another app that you can record Screencastify. But Ode To Joy, we're gonna do it with 3 parts. So it's gonna be melody, and by the way, this song, the form is A for bar, A1 for bar, B section for bar, and then the A1 for bar again. You can see it here. I have the screenshot. A section 4 bar, X section A 4 bar, B section 4 bar from bar 9 to 12, then A section at the end, bar 13 to 16. Repeat that bar. So I have here an example that I was playing with the drums. So the melody, you're gonna copy the same. The bass, which is in the low octave or first octave, and then the melody is in the high octave. The melody, you're gonna copy the same. The bass, you could change. So here's the instruction. Melody on the high, you can copy exactly the same. Bass line section, you can change the rhythm, and then add your drum with the foundation I'm giving you in this example. So I'm going to start from scratch here. I'm going to do the drum first. Bass on 1, snare 2. This is beat 3. This is beat 4. So that's the foundation. Big snare, bass on 1, snare 2, snare 4. That's bar 2. Bar 3, bass on 1, snare 2, snare 4. Bass on 1, snare 2, snare 4. After you have the foundation, then you can mess around like I did in this example and start adding more and change, but keep the foundation. See, my foundation is there. So the foundation is simple. But once you got that, you can start playing around. Like, what if I do this combination? Remember, music is a lot of patterns. So if you do this pattern, try to keep that pattern going on. So it's going to sound more, united, more fluent, more in musical knowledge, which we use a lot of patterns in music. Now the bass, you can change not the notes, the rhythms. So you can like alternate the rhythms in different places. So play around with that. You can change the rhythm because that's the bass, the low section, or make it. Also, you can change the note at the end to go to this section. So I can do something like this, to walking down to go to this, and then the last. So don't touch the first couple of notes. You can do it at the end. It's like tan 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 na na. So I can do that walk down up and then walk down, and then from here to here I can do another connection. So melody, don't change. The bass line, you could change the rhythm, and you can put some note to walking up or walking down. So let's listen what we have so far. Let's put something here. Change that at the end, the bass line. Yeah, baby. So you are doing like a remix, so it's not gonna sound the same because then you have different drums and you are adding your favorites with the bass. Remember here, if I have that pattern, I should copy that pattern in my other bars. If I have this pattern here, I should like copy what I did before. So try to make it, that sound very nice. So you have bar 1 to 4, bar 5 to 8, and then bass section should be different. So try to then follow this pattern in the drums with the snare, with the bass, but you can change the pattern here. And then A section, then try to do almost the same you did in A section 1, okay, to make it uniform. And that's what it is. So melody, bass, add your drum with the foundations, bass on 1, snare 2 and 4. After that, you can change it as we did, and then change patterns on bar 9 to 12, which is B section, which is this section here. So have fun. As always, like this video, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. See you.